Hi everyone, so today I will do another unboxing videos about something that I'm already waiting for like for a few days. So this is the package and we will see what is inside. It's a little bit messy. I think I will cut it over here. So I'll be waiting for this package a few days ago. It should actually will be arrived around like on next Monday. However, it's arrived earlier than I thought. So there's the receipt and this is the package. Ooh. Ta-da! So I bought new headphone is because my old headphone was broken. It's the one that I brought from Indonesia. So on last winter it was broken. So I wanted to buy the new one. It's because like it will be another winter soon. So sometimes it will be very cold outside. So I need the headphone to keep my ears warm. So I bought the Sony WH-1000XM5. So yeah. The price is, the normal price is just like $380, $88, which is like almost 6 million rupiahs. However, last time like I got the very good discount, like it's only from 388 become 246. Yeah, it is like so much cheaper than the normal price. And yeah, how do I do it? I think I open over here, and I think this is like the latest series of the 1000X. Yeah, I wanted to buy another ones, like the one that cheapest before. I keep it like on my in my cart on the Amazon, but I didn't check it out. It's because it's like still expensive. And then when I got the notifications that this one is like having a big discount, so I'll check it out. Okay. It's because it's like very limited stocks and only discount for the black color. So yeah, I take the black color. How do I open this? It's kinda hard to open. I'm very terrible in opening this one. It's called, there's like original things. So I can do like this. Oh, how do I do it? Oh, I think it's up. Here we go. Meow. So there is, wow. Oh, they came out with the back. Interesting. And what is this one? Store. It is like manual books. Oh yeah. Here's the manual book. I even got like Sony free music trials. Interesting. There's the manual book. books. I'll check out the manual books later. Ooh. And where is this one? I'm really excited to see this. Very cute. Very cute. Something hanging in there. Very cute bag. Open it. Love the bag. Wow. So fancy. Wow, ta-da. This is really, so this is it. Love it. Love the color. Oh, it's kind of like kinky. Oh, it can like move like this. Interesting. Let's try. Hopefully it's perfect. Ooh. Yeah, it's really good of covering my ears, and also this one is like very good noise cancellations, and they can be like this one to make it more perfect. So it's interesting. And I like it, it's because like it's very soft, so it's, even I didn't play any music, I cannot hear like the other sounds around me, which is very good quality. So yeah, I like it. It's very soft. The other thing is on the back. Like it's right here, and then they have this one, the charging. Okay, so they have the chargers over here, and I'm not sure what is this one. Maybe something to connect from this. Not sure. I'll figure it out. When I read the manual books. But this one is already great. Cool. Yeah, I think that's it for this unboxing video. Yeah, I really like the colors, like gold and black, never going wrong. Like the quality, and I like the discounts. So that's it. I'll put it back over here, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Oh, did I say the price? Yeah, so in total I got like $266 for this. So much discount from the initial price. Okay, bye bye.